Even the best espresso machine won't make great tasting coffee without freshly roasted coffee beans. Here's a specialty coffee roaster to find out more.
Well, it starts with freshness, but you don't want too fresh. Coffee beans are at their peak flavour from about 5 to 30 days out of roast. Immediately after being roasted, coffee releases CO2, so using it before that 5-day mark makes it a bit more challenging to work with. Once the beans are older than about 30 days, volatile aromatics start to fade, so the coffee loses the best parts of its character. Coffee beans of different origins, roast profile and age all need optimal temperatures to bring out their best. 93 degrees Celsius is a great starting point to understand the flavour potential of any coffee. Coffees from South American origins, such as Brazil, are generally lower in acidity, rounded and sweet with a medium to heavy body. Their nutty and chocolatey flavour notes make them a good choice to pair with perfectly textured milk. On the other hand, coffee beans from African origins, like Ethiopia and Kenya, are higher in complex acidity and can be more floral and delicate. Stone fruit and citrus are very common flavour notes you'll experience and make these origins the perfect choice for a single origin espresso or long black. Blending multiple varietals to build taste complexity is something we like to do as roasters, so definitely take some time to truly experience different blends at home.